Hello friends, welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I will make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this includes you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. For today's painting, I will show you how to paint David Austin Rose. It looks like a peony, but the leaves have a different shape between peony and Austin Rose. So, first step, apply the water on the flowers area with Raphael matte brush. I'm taking a brilliant pink and then paint on the center of the rose. And I'm adding orange mix red on brilliant pink colors area. That is center of the flowers. And this Austin Rose, David Austin Rose shape is little. Um, this rose has petals gathered inside. So I'm going to paint between petals with thick and red color. And I will draw the line in the petals with tip of the brush. This paper is hot pressed watercolor paper. So paper surface is very soft. It's not much spread watercolor on the paper. So you don't have to worry about the water spreading, and you can paint the petal one by one. This paper is still actually wet, but it's not spread well. So you can control very easier than cold pressed paper. move to next flowers. I will paint it same colors and same way. So draw edge of the petals line and drag the colors to inside or to edge of the flowers. I'm painting each petals one by one. I will take a good amount of green color and draw the leaves and stems and also some part of background. I'm adding little bit dark green on the light green. This is very light green. Apply on the around the flower and around the leaf and background part, background area. And then I'm take some mixed green and burnt sienna. So mixed, I got some kind of olive green. So I draw leaves. I'm touch up the edge of the leaves and it looks natural. And I will draw the birds. Birds is look always so cute, right? This is a final touch-up on background. This background looks so simple. So actually I create this painting background colors and some birds. So I'm adding on background with blue and pink. And then shake the paper back and forth. When we do them, the colors blend and mix together to create a beautiful colors. Shake the paper back and forth. It looks so beautiful. Okay, we are all done today's painting. I hope I will see you next time. Bye.